Good evening, me Alia Ghosh, news anchor from Lava Farah Media, here brings you the world latest updated news from all around the world. Today, 20 June 2020, Muslim Jews have higher COVID death rate, UK figures indicate London. The death rate from COVID-19 in England and Wales is higher among people who identify as Muslim Jews, Hindus and Sikh than Christian or those who with no stated religion, Britain Statistics Office said on Friday. The latest figures from the Office for National Statistics also reflected previous studies which showed that black and other ethnic minority groups have a far higher risk of death from the disease than those with white ethnicity. According to the ONS, which examined data from the start of the March until May 15, the mortality rate among Muslims was higher than any other group, with those who were Jewish, Hindu or Sikh also showing higher death rates, with ethnicity included. This demonstrates that a substantial part of the difference in mortality between religious groups is explained by the different circumstances in which members of these groups are known to live. For example, living in areas with higher level of socioeconomic deprivation and differences in ethnic makeup, the ONS report said. However, after adjusting for the above, Jewish males are at twice the risk of Christian males, and Jewish women are also at higher risk, said Nick Stripe, head of life event at the ONS, adding that more research was needed to explain this. The mortality rate among Muslim men was 98.9 deaths per 100,000 and 98.2 deaths per 100,000 for women. For those who said that there had no religion in Britain's 2011 census, the figure was 80.7 deaths per 10,000 males and 47.9 deaths per 10,000 females. The finding coincides with more statistics which show that black and Asian people in England and Wales are at higher risk from the novel coronavirus. Figures showed that the highest mortality rate was among black men at 255.7 per 100,000 compared to a rate of 87 deaths per 100,000 white males. The death was 119.8 per 100,000 for black women and 52 per 100,000 for white women. The echoes an officially study earlier this month would found back when the ancient people in England were up to 50% more likely to die after becoming infected with COVID-19. Significant differences also remain for Bangladeshi, Pakistani and Indian men, Stripe said. So here it goes with more news. Nation paid tribute to soldiers at Martyrt in Galyan Valley. Thousands of people's walk of life paid tribute to the soldiers who were martyred during a violent phase of Chinese troops at Galwan Valley in Ladakh. Senior politicians, army officials and other officials of state administration attended the funeral ceremonies of martyred soldiers in their respective native places. The mortal remains of Naib Subedar Mandeep Singh was cremated with honors at Seal village in Ghanur block, Patiala. Captain Narendra Singh, who served with Mandeep, said that he was a courageous and honest man. The modest remains of another martyred army man, Satnam Singh, were cremated at Bhojpur village in Gurdaspur. Satnam's mortal remains were airlifted from Leh to Chandigarh. The Punjab government raised the ex gratia payment to families of soldiers martyred in action from Rs 10 lakh to 50 lakh. Punjabi government decided to increase the ex gratia for our soldiers killed in action of Rs 10 lakh to Rs 50 lakh along with a job to the next of kin. Thank you.